National General Secretary ka seng NPP ubadeiru sumbut Menteri Rangba ka jela uba Sniawbhalang dhar ulaong ba ula persyang ban khot bat weri ki nongialam na ki weipat ke seng sain pyrthei ba kirwan pyniasoh syaka NPP. Ngaru ngalale ya kani kata ban khot bat weri ki weipat ki nongialam ban wan pyniasoh syaka parti jongi ong uni nongialam ke NPP. Haba jubab ya ke jingkeli ya Presiden ka MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala ula kerpat ne ya hukum unong yalam barim ba unwan pyniasoh biang syaka parti Kongres ka balarim tam. Ke ka ba uba pala ule ula traina ke bentala ke jong ka parti ngaru ngala traina ke bentala ke jong ka parti kamdon kenu ke jingle bakla halor kane baru ki kwa ban penklan yala ke jong ki parti kamdon jing halor kata ula benram. Kumju haba penpau ba ka NPP ka dei ka babiang tam uba Sniawbhalang ulaong ba ki weipat ki parti sain pyrthei ru kum ke Kongres bat ka UDP kila ban ong ya kaju ba ka parti jongki ka dei ka babiang tam.
To call to join my party. And which Mapala done his own party. I am working for my own party. He's working for his own party. There's no difference in that. Everybody want to strengthen their own party. No, what is it? No, there's no problem around. If you ask me, maybe if you ask Congress, they'll say Congress is the best. Maybe if you ask UDP, they'll say UDP is the best. I'm trying to call other leaders. All the people, they have the right to call. They have the right to request. What is the problem in that? No problem.